To help you with 1 and 2, I want you to take a look at my tree diagram. Remember, the first choice that you make at the deli is between white and wheat bread. So my first part of my tree diagram shows the choice between white and wheat. Then you choose between turkey, ham, and roast beef. So I came up with TH and RB as abbreviations for those. Then after you choose the meat, you get to choose between cheddar and American cheese. So you can see that I use CH and A, that branches from each of those. So if we count out how many possible ways to make a sandwich, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's going to help you answer the question about the probability that he chooses ham on wheat with cheddar. So see if you can answer that question now in that box. The other thing I wanted to help you on is how to organize the prize box items for Ella. So she gets to choose 2 things. So on one part of the chart, I put the pencil, candy, stickers, and gum. And then since she gets to choose another item, I put the same thing on the other side. And now I'm creating a chart that shows all the combinations. So the double piece right here stands for her choosing 2 pencils. Or P and C would be pencil and candy. Then pencil and stickers. Then the next one would be pencil and gum. So keep going with the chart and see what you come up with. The next row is going to start with candy and pencil. You're looking for the probability that she chooses pencil and gum. So think about the possible ways that could happen. Hope this helps. Let me know if I can help with anything else as you complete your classwork today.